Greetings everyone! In today's video, we will quickly learn how you can add a contact form to your WordPress website. We will also add a checkbox and attach a files section, something like this. Let's get started. Now, to add a contact form to your site, you will need to log in to your WordPress dashboard. We are already in our dashboard. We will use a Contact Form 7 plugin to add the contact form. For that, go to Plugins, Add New, and search for Contact Form 7. This is the plugin. Install it and activate the plugin. So the plugin is activated. You will find Contact Form here, or here is the settings. Click on it. By default, there will be one contact form already. Open it. Now here is a contact form. The form will have your name, email, subject, and message. To put this on your website, we need to add this shortcode. Copy this. I will open a new page. I will say it as a contact page. I will add a custom HTML. I will paste it here. This is the same shortcode. And publish the page. Let me preview the page. So here is our contact form. Please note, this design may look different for your theme. Anyway, this is a simple form. Let me close this. Now you can customize the form. For instance, if you want to add a file attachment, simply copy this code and paste it here. I want it after the subject. You can write your own label here. Only PDF files will be allowed to be attached with a max size of 2 MB. So save it. By the way, you can increase 2 MB to other sizes too. It is done. Refresh this page. So here is an option to choose file, and only a PDF file can be attached, despite there being other files. But if you want to attach other file types, then you can simply use the other code. This allows all image files. Copy this, and you can add more files like this and so on. Let me add PDF too. Save it and refresh the page. So now we can attach other file types too. Likewise, if you want to add a checkbox, simply copy this code and add where you want to add. Change the label for it and save it. You can add options here in a similar format. Refresh the page. So here is the checkbox options. So here is the complete form as we wanted. In this Mail tab, the fill form details will be sent to you. This is the messages displayed when a form is filled, or if there are any errors shown to the visitors. And here are some additional settings. So anyway, this is how you can add a contact form. You can also create a new form. Click on Add New. Give a title and save it. Now, you will have to add this shortcode on the page to display this form. This is how you can add a contact form on your website. Thank you very much.